Hello and welcome to a new lesson, meaning, examples and importance of etymology. Let's first discuss about meaning of etymology. Etymology is the study of the origin of words. It is about how meanings and forms of words have evolved over time. It investigates the history of words. It traces them back to their earliest recorded usage. It also examines how words have changed in structure and meaning across different languages and cultures. Now let's talk about examples of etymology. Let's take the word etymology itself. Where does it come from? What is its root? So the English word etymology itself comes from the Greek word etymologia. It means the study of the true meaning of a word. We have another word, language. Where does it come from? What is the etymology of the word language? The English word language itself comes from the Latin word lingua. It means tongue or a speech. We continue our discussion. Now let's talk about the importance of etymology. Why studying etymology is important in our studies in the field of linguistics. The first point is understanding origins. What is this about? It reveals the roots and original meaning of words, helping us grasp why they mean what they mean today. Now we have another point, tracing evolution. By studying how words have changed over time, we gain insights into historical events, cultural shifts, and how societies have interacted. Enhancing vocabulary. Knowing the etymology of words can expand our vocabulary and improve our ability to decipher unfamiliar words. We have another point, deepening appreciation. It fosters a deeper appreciation for language and its intricacies, highlighting the connections between different languages and cultures. And the last point in this direction is improving communication. Understanding the nuances and connotations of words enhances our ability to communicate effectively and accurate. So these are some of the important points in the study of etymology. Hope you understand the concept. Thank you and goodbye.